Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to take salesman wise report from Tally. You want to load one customization for getting this report? You can download that customization from our online shop. I have that customization. Right now I am going to load that module. Go to configuration. Then here product and features. Then right side manage local TDL make it yes. Then in this area you want to copy and paste your TCP location path. So you can download this TCP from our online shop. So I have that TCP file. This is my TCP file. So I right click on the TCP file, go to properties, then security. This is the full path of the TCP location. Select that one, then copy, open your Tally, then here Alt Control V, enter, save. Okay, so here you can see the TDL was loaded. Then you want to pass some entry. So before passing entry, you want to enable cost entry in our Tally. For that, this is a procedure. Go to F11, go to accounting features. Then here there is option maintain cost center, make it yes. Then here you can see use predefined cost center. This also you want to make it yes. After that, save it. Okay. Once the TDL was loaded, then you can see there is one additional menu, that is salesman. So go to salesman menu. Then here there is option salesman creation. Go to salesman creation. You can create your salesman name. So I am going to create one salesman name. Create. Arun is one of the salesman. Enter and save it. Then another one salesman, Ranjit. This is another one salesman. Enter, save it. So now I created two salesmen. Then again I am going to pass entries. That is a normal way you can pass entry. Go to accounting voucher. Select the sales. And here you can select your salesman name. So the salesman name is Arun. Then select the party name, sales, type your item name, item, enter. Then type your quantity, type the rate, save. Then the same way you can select your next item also, the 02, save. Then put your what details, then enter and save it. Only this thing you remember, at the time of sales entry you want to select your salesman name here. Okay, after that save it. I'm just skipping the print. Then I'm again another one invoice I'm going to save here. Salesman name, there is a two salesman we already created, so I'm going to select Ranjit. Then another customer, sales, selecting this item. Then what? Save it. Normal way you can pass entries, but only one thing, at the time of passing sales entry you must select your salesman name. Then I am going to enter receipt against that sales. So before receipt you will get the report. So here I will show you. Go to salesman, there is a report, sales report. Select the sales report. All salesman report will come like this. Okay, if you want to filter your salesman, select here salesman name. Then there is a name, so you want to check the Arun, just only the Arun sales will come. You press enter, that's going to consent party ledger. Then escape. You can select here Ranjit, as a Ranjit total sales will come. You just press enter, it's going to consent ledger. Then here there is a report, outstanding report. Actually collection report is nil because there is no receipt entry, but here there is an outstanding report. Go to outstanding report. So you can see total outstanding of your company. So this is the salesman name. Here it's clearly specify the salesman name. So you can filter salesman wise outstanding also. You want to filter, go to salesman, select your salesman name, then you will get the filter report of that consent salesman. This way Ranjit, the Ranjit only it will come like. Then so again we are going to pass one receipt entry, accounting voucher, then receipt, enter. Here you want to select your salesman name, so I am going to select the Ranjit, because this cash I am collecting against sales of this concerned salesman, so that I am selecting here that salesman name. Then select cash, then type your party name, ABC company, this is a party. So total outstanding 31,500, put here 30,000, then enter. Against the bill details is here, just enter and save it. The normal way you can save this receipt. Skip. The next receipt I am going to pass, this is Arun. Select the cash, then type his customer name. I'm selecting 2000 against this bill, enter and save it. Okay, so I already passed 2 sales and 2 receipt. Then I am going to check that report. There is a report, salesman. Here sales report we already checked. Then another one, collection report. Go to collection report. Total receipt of collection will appear here. So you want to filter each salesman wise collection. Go to salesman, then type the salesman name. You will get that concerned salesman wise report like this. Okay, so again go to select another salesman. Okay, then you will get that separate salesman report like this. Okay, in this way you can filter your collection, total collection report. Once you enter this report, you will get the details of that concerned ledger report. Then go to escape. Here outstanding, before in this outstanding the total outstanding is appearing, so we can check what is the status of this outstanding report. Go to outstanding, then here you can see there is a 2 outstanding, but the figure is 1,500,625 because balance we already collected from that party. Okay, in this way you can take salesman wise collection, sales and outstanding report from Tally. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more free videos.